English to Hindi, as there, equals.
क्या है?
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Ready to have fun and learn fast? Today you'll master the English question, as there, and its Hindi super tool.
क्या है?
A magician says, abracadabra, but you'll say,
क्या है?
an info appears. Your goal today. One pattern, many wins. Let's keep it simple and bold. Goal. Ask about existence like a pro, as there, equals.
क्या है?
By the end, you'll use it everywhere: shops, stations, cafes, and surprise quizzes. Pronunciation minimap. Follow my rhythm, short, clear, and catchy. Say it in 3 beats.
क्या है?
Rise at the end like a question. Pattern.
क्या है?
Literally, what is, but it works as there. Casual mirror form you might hear.
है क्या?
Same meaning, street vibe. False friend alert.
कहाँ है?
Means, where is, not as there. Dialogue at the counter. Jump into a friendly scene, you're doing the talking. You, politely, is there water?
क्या पानी है?
Clerk, yes, there is.
हाँ है.
You, is there Wi-Fi here?
क्या यहाँ वाईफाई है?
Clerk, sorry, there isn't.
माफ कीजिए, नहीं है.
You, whisper to a friend, is there, or not?
क्या है या नहीं?
Pro tip. Statement form is simply.
है.
Form builder drill. You speak, I cheer, fill that middle gap with anything you need. Is there tea?
क्या चाय है?
Is there a restroom here?
क्या यहाँ टॉयलेट है?
Is there any discount?
क्या कोई छूट है?
Is there water there?
क्या वहाँ पानी है?
Base pattern for anything, is there.
क्या है?
Negative question. Isn't there Wi-Fi?
क्या वाईफाई नहीं है?
Culture tip, and a smile. Sound like a local with one tiny tweak. On Indian trains you'll often hear, is there tea?
क्या चाय है?
If a chai vendor appears right after you ask, congrats, you've unlocked the magic of.
क्या है?
Quick quiz. Fast questions, faster wins, answer out loud. Q1. How do you ask, as there, in Hindi? A.
क्या है?
Q2. Which one means, where is, not our target? A.
कहाँ है?
Q3. Make it location specific, as there, here?
क्या यहाँ है?
Bonus. Casual mirror order? A.
है क्या?
Challenge and outro. Time to use it for real, small step, big confidence. Challenge. Today, ask 3 practical questions using the pattern, as there.
क्या है?
For example.
क्या यहाँ पानी है? क्या कोई बस है?
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing, stay curious, and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, downloads, and fun challenges. See you next time.